Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ella. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share that video. So Khosi Thwala has gotten crowned as the winner of Big Brother Titans 2023, you guys, and congratulatory messages are flooding in for the South African model. Congratulations to Khosi Thwala because it was a tough competition between South Africans and Nigerians, but eventually she won the competition, you guys. Let me quickly insert this video of her hometown people celebrating her win, you guys. Please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. We run the